Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to introduce you guys to a product right now called Flare, and this video I'm not going to take or bore you with a lot of information. If you just want to get to know more about the product, you can just click the link in the description below. It's going to take you straight right into this product. And before I get right into this video, I want to introduce myself. This is WebHustleTv, and in this channel we'll talk about making money online, how to scale your business, either as an affiliate marketer or an internet marketer, or you're someone who's trying to make money online with application websites. I'm going to introduce you guys to a lot of websites, a lot of applications that are going to help you make money online. So make sure you subscribe and turn on post notification. Also like this video and comment down below, say thank you, or any question you want to ask, maybe after this video or before this video. So let's get right into this video. It's right here. It says how I get $20 payment over and over again when someone clicks the mouse in the sense that when they click your link, and if they don't even buy anything, or if they don't even perform a CPA offer, once they click the link you get paid $20. So that means if 100 people click your link, you're going to make it $2,000. I know it may sound crazy, that how is that possible? That it's not possible for someone to just pay me $20 when someone clicks my link, or a platform to pay me $20 when someone clicks my link. Well, I'm going to try that. It's very really possible. But before I explain, I want you to watch this. I want you to quickly watch this video right here. It's on a website. You can also click the link in the description below to go watch the full video. I'm not going to play all the video, but let me just play right here, so you can see a sneak peek. Let me make this on, okay? So you can watch it and see a sneak peek of what I'm talking about right here. While it's doing it, guys, don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you haven't. I don't know why it's taking time to load, but just hold on. It's gonna load right now. Pause it and play again. I think my internet is slow right now, but you can click the link in the description below to go watch it, the full video, and get to know it, know more about it. Okay, let me refresh the page. Oh, it says no income. Oh, let me check my device. Yeah, okay. I don't know why it disconnected right in the middle of the video. Okay, now it's connected. Let me refresh it right now. So it's okay. Now it's loading up. Now when you use the link in the description below to get Flare, you're gonna get it at a discounted price. Normally it's $37 I mean per month, but when you use the link in the description below, you're gonna get it for a price of $70, one-time fee of $70. You purchase it for $70, you're gonna be using it for a lifetime. And imagine when you get the product for $70 today and you make over more than $70 today, you get to withdraw your money. Oh my god, that's crazy, guys. As you can see, there's a pop-up right here. I say click the button now to claim a discount of $5. So that means instead of getting it for $70, you're actually gonna get it for $12 when you use my link, and that's crazy. So let me play this video right here for you guys so you can watch a sneak peek of what it's about. Here, I'm gonna show you.
Hey, in the next 30 seconds, I'm going to show you how we're getting paid $20 or more every time someone simply clicks their mouse. And they don't even have to buy anything. We also don't need paid traffic, we don't need to show our face on camera, we don't have to write emails, we don't have to spam people on social media, we just have to get people to simply click on our links. As long as people click on our links, we get to enjoy repeat payments of $20 over and over and over. Although $20 seems small, it can snowball into a serious income. Let me show you. If 25 people click, we can make $500. If 50
pause it right there. So if you want to watch the full video, you can click the link in the description below to go watch the full video and also get the product. And once you've gotten the product, as you can see here, there is proof here of I saw the proof right now. Okay, I think I'm gonna scroll down slowly. Okay, yeah, it's right here. You can see an estimated earning of $127 because of flare. If you scroll down to, you can see a $54,000 earning. You can see right here, it's $54,000 of actually someone who was made $54,000 using flare. And it just takes you 3 steps. Purchase flare right now, get your link, and get traffic to your link. Actually, it has an inbuilt traffic, like as you can see right here, it says turn on the built-in traffic to start flowing your pay link with free clicks. So once you've gotten your link, you don't even need to look for people to click your link to buy. It has an inbuilt system which is going to send free traffic to your affiliate offer. So I say you have to your link actually, so people can click your link and you'll be earning $20 per click. So I don't want to bore you guys with a lot of talking and talking. Just click the link below to go get flare at a discounted price. And if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section below. And once you've gotten flare at a discounted price, I'm going to give you guys a free gift. It's a selling system that can make you earn $1,000 every single day. Let me open it so I can show you guys. Okay, let me open right here. While it's loading, guys, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and like this video also for more awesome video like this. I want to show you guys the offer I'm going to give you when you get the products and you email me. You're going to email me. My email is going to be in the description below. So once you've gotten this product, email me that you've gotten the product, and I'm going to send you this offer right here. I don't know why is it okay. It's loading right now. Okay, let me click on this and approved only. Okay, it's this offer right here, this one right here. Okay, it's loading. I want to show you guys the offer I'm going to give you. Yeah, this is it right here. It's loading. As you can see, it says I'm going to give you this $9,000 sales machine for free. You're not going to pay a dime. So what is this that once you use the link, once you use the link in the description below,
got tired.
right here. Once you use the link in the description below to get this flare product that can make you earn $20, I'm going to give you an additional bonus of this right here. As you can see right here, it says, yes, give me my free sales machine. It's going to give me for free. I'm not going to pay a dime. It says access our free sales machine now. We'll show you how we made $3,972. That's $1,000 per day. I'm going to give it for free, and once you use the link in the description below to get this product right here for a discounted price. So I'm not going to bore you right now to keep talking. Just comment below if you have any question. I'm going to answer you straight away. And once you've gotten the product, email me right now so you can get this bonus right here added with this right here. So that will be all for today's video, right guys? If you want to see more video like this, subscribe and turn on post notification. I'll be dropping video in my maybe tomorrow or day after on making money online and apps, a website that is going to help you make money online. So make sure you subscribe, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Let's go. Peace.